So chapter 6.3 talks more about evaluating logarithms, and essentially for these problems what we want to do is simplify these expressions because we're not solving for x this time. So we want to remember that if we're given some log with the base b of x equals y, we just take the base b and then raise it to the y power and set that equal to x. So we get b to the y equals x. And if we want to simplify this, we can do log base 4 of 1 over 16, and we can say equals some x, because that's what we want. So we have 4 raised to the x equals 1 over 16, and then we can see that x equals negative 2, because 4 to the negative 2 is the same as saying 1 over 4 squared, which is 1 over 16. So in this case, this expression simplifies to negative 2. Then for part B, it says log base 5 of 1 over 125 plus 2 equals, so we can start by simplifying this expression here. We have log base 5 of this equals, let's say, some x. So we have 5 to the x equals 1 over 125, and then we see that x equals negative 3 because 5 to the negative 3 is the same as 1 over 5 cubed, which is 1 over 125. So x equals negative 3. So we have negative 3, and then we have this right here, plus 2 equals whatever our answer is. So negative 3 plus 2 is negative 1. So our answer for this one is negative 1. Then we have log base 3 of the square root of 3. So we have, let's set this up like this. So we have 3 to the x equals, and let's rewrite this square root of 3. We know that if we take anything to the square root, or if we square root something, we take it to the half power. And so since they have the same base, we know that x equals 1/2. So in this case, our answer is 1/2. And then for our last one, we have 9 times log base 27 of 9. And we can rewrite this. We remember that log base b of x to some n power is the same thing as n times log base b of this x. And this is interchangeable. So in this case, we're given this form. We can rewrite it as this here on the left side. So we have log base 27 of 9 to the 9th power equals some x that we're solving for. So then from here, we raise 27 to the x equals 9 to the 9th power. And so what we can do from here is we can change these bases. We know that 27 equals 3 cubed, and we know that 9 equals 3 squared. So if we take 3 cubed to the x equals 3 squared to the 9th, then we know that a n to the m just equals a to the nm. We're just going to multiply this out. So 3 to the 3x equals 3 to the 18th. And since now the bases are the same, we can just set these equal to each other, and then we get x equals 6. So for our last one, we simplify it to 6.